Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 70. No, sir.
Your supplementary question.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I just want to know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, what are the criteria for the creation of new civil subdivisions?
Sir, I think the very same question was raised previously during this ongoing session by the honorable member from Meghalaya constituency. I've already replied everything, so my reply stands as of today also.
Sir, may consider in future to upgrade our oldest city block, Mawryngkneng, to the civil subdivision in future, sir.
We'll examine, sir.